What's up, guys? Alisha Walls here, and in this quick video I want to tell you guys what have the Elite Unlimited Mailing Club has added to their fleet of business in a box options. So what I want you to do first is make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already subscribed, and make sure, guys, that you click that little bell icon so that you get all the updated videos that I ever publish and that I ever put out on my YouTube channel. But let me turn my phone down. There we go. Let's get right into this video, okay? Because this is going to be really exciting. I am really excited about this because you guys are going to really love what the Elite Unlimited has added to their business in a box options, okay? So, at first with the Elite Unlimited, it was pretty much, just you can receive the printed sales letters and your leads, of course, right? But now what the company has, oh my God, this is really exciting, like seriously. What they have added for you guys to make it much easier and you receive more is the option to either receive your cover letter and your sales letter printed, or you can receive postcards. Now, let me tell you the advantage of postcards for each level. Now, I will reiterate how many sales letters that you receive for each level and leads on Pill and Stick labels. And I'll also tell you what's the advantage, of course, of the postcard and how the postcard can really work for you, okay? So, for the first level, the insider level, you normally receive 100 sales letters, 100 leads on Pill and Stick labels. So the company now, whenever you email to the company to request your instructional email of what you need to send, all of those type of things, what the company actually do now for the insider level is they give you an option. Do you want 100 postcards, or do you want 100 not cover letters, because you don't receive your cover letter? Do you want 100 sales letters printed? Okay. The advantage of receiving the postcards are your cover letter and your sales letter are included on your website that you create for this opportunity. Now, keep in mind, the company sends out a welcome email, and your welcome email is very detailed. Okay, it has all of your training. It also will include your sales letter and your leads, where you can download that to your computer. You receive offline training as well as online training with step-by-step videos to show you exactly what you need to do on every single thing. The postcards, the only requirements are you have to set up your website. And now, guys, you know me. When I tell you that something is easy, it's easy, okay? It's really simple. It's literally step by step. They're going to send you inside of your welcome email how to set up your website to receive your postcards. Let me see. I should have had a copy of the postcard and what it looks like, but let me see, can I do that real quick? Hold on just 1 second so I can add that here, so you get a chance to see what the postcard looks like front and back. Okay, so let's see here real quick, really quickly, because this is going to be a complete game changer for a lot of people that still like to do the direct mail part of it, as well as they still like to be a little bit online with their opportunities. Okay, so let's see if I can get this. And I want to show you front and back. And of course, this is really large, but let me move that for you so you can see. This is the front copy right here of the postcard. So you can receive a postcard that's just like this. It has the name of the company, Mailing Club, earn $1,000 weekly, mailing a simple letter, it'll have your website. it'll have your email address, your phone number down there. So the only thing that you need to do is, like I said, set up your website, which is literally using a share code. You click on the link inside of your welcome email. It'll take you to the website platform. You create an account, and your account literally takes maybe not even 5 minutes to create. Once you create that account, you go in, you use the share code that's inside of your email, put it into the share code generator. It has created your lead capture page, and all you're doing from there is putting in your link that you will also create with using your sales letter, and your website is set up. It's just that simple. And the next thing you would have to do, of course, is if you want to use a link shortener, you can use a link shortener or purchase a domain. By the way, the company do have instructions on how to create a domain, how to forward your domain to your website, all of that. So it's super duper easy. I wouldn't just be telling you guys that, but it is super easy to do that. And let me also show you guys what the back of the postcard look like as well. Let's see. Okay, so let me go ahead and resize that so you guys can see what that looked like as well. Okay, and here's the back of your postcard. Let me take this little part out so you don't think that that's a part of the back of the postcard. So this is the back of your postcard. As you can see right here at the top, you will have your name, your return address. The only thing you're going to place on here are your stamps and your lead that's on the Peel and Stick label. But the good part about doing postcards, the postcards postage is cheaper. It is 35 cents per stamp versus 55 cents, or even using the source that the company offer, which also gives you a saving of 10 cents cheaper, because the company actually offers these for like 40 to 45 cents per stamp. Okay, so it's really, really cost efficient. It saves you money when you're doing it. But how about if you join on the VIP level? The VIP level, guys, you normally receive 300 customized sales letters printed, and you also receive 300 leads on Peel and Stick labels. But with the postcards, if you decide to choose the postcard option, you also receive 200 more postcards than what you would have actually received with your letters, and you receive 200 more leads on the Peel and Stick labels. That is awesome. That is completely awesome. That, my friends, is what you call a company that is really looking out for your best interest. Okay. Now on the prestige level, you receive 500 color printed sales letters. You receive 500 envelopes. You receive 500 leads on Peel and Stick labels. And you also receive a custom stamp, and of course your vacation getaways and your travel discount. Of course, that goes for all the levels. But not only do you receive 500 postcards, you get an additional 500 postcards. So that's 1,000 postcards, guys, 1,000 postcards. And you also will receive your return address stamp for you to do future mailings with regular letters. The company has even added an option inside of the welcome kit. If you ever want to order more postcards, you can order those with the company, and it's cheaper to order throughout the company. You have the option of doing 2-day shipping or your standard shipping. Of course, that's in your welcome kit. You will receive that in the mail along with your business in a box. So that is phenomenal. That is phenomenal. With your postcard, it takes away your envelopes and gives you more postcards and more leads. So now you have 1,000 leads on Peel and Stick labels, and you have 1,000 digital leads that you will, receive in your welcome email. But I mean, tell me, how fantastic is that? Now, let's jump on over to the elite level. Now, the only thing that you have to purchase on your prestige level are your stamps. You receive your postcards, and you receive your stamp in the mail along with your welcome kit, all of that stuff. The only thing you would have to purchase are your stamps. So once again, keep in mind, like I told you guys in the other videos, you don't have to send out the entire 1,000 at one time. But just to give you a heads up, if you wanted to purchase 1,000 postcard stamps, it's only $350. 350 bucks if you have that. But if you don't, purchase 100 roll of stamps for your postcards at a time, which is $35. Okay, so you can send off 100 postcards every single week until your 1,000 postcards are all gone, or you can send out 200 or 300, whatever you can afford to purchase on your stamps for the prestige level. Okay, so let's go into the elite level. The elite level, guys, just like on the regular, for the regular letters, everything will be fully assembled. All you have to do when you receive your 1,000 postcards are drop them in the mail. That's it. You have your lead on there. You have your stamp that's already on your postcard, everything. All you have to do when you receive it at your doorstep is drop it in the mail. That's it. That's it. So tell me in the comments below, how exciting is this? Is this something that you've always been looking for? A company that gives you an option where you can receive more, or what? This opportunity is getting better and better, guys, by the week. It is crazy. It is getting better and better by the week. I've also been told that they do have some more updates that are coming that will definitely raise your conversion rate. So I'm here to tell you, this thing is only getting better, only getting better. So if you would like to get started with this opportunity, in the link, in the description below this video, click on the link. And once you click on the link, guys, get started. Send your email to info@theeliteunlimited.com with whatever level that you want to start, and also the name of the person in step 2 and step 3. Send that email off, get your instructions, and just get started. Thank you guys so much for watching this quick video here. And like I said, if you're interested, if you have questions, leave your questions in the comment section, or my contact information is also in the description of this video. Get in contact with me so I can help you guys get started. Just to keep in mind, every person that joins my team will get added to my rotator. Okay, you're added to my rotator. As many people that clicked on the link, your name will also one day when you become a member be also in that rotator. Once again, bye for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. You all have a blessed day.